Hey guys, Dave here, RV Chronicles. Today we are going to put on the rear SumoSprings on a 2015 Newmar Canyon Star. It's on a Ford chassis, F53. It's pretty much going to be the same across the board. And I have a new friend here with me. You guys met him earlier in one of our videos. And this is Rob from Adventure Bounder.
Hey guys.
Go check out his YouTube, up and coming YouTube star sensation here. His wife is also a travel RN. Rob is a respiratory therapist, and they're currently not traveling right now. They're kind of in the mid regroup. Yeah, we'll call it just a regroup.
There you go.
So, but yeah, go check out their channel. They're going to start doing some really cool videoing and some really good stuff. But anyways, he came to help me out because he is interested in putting these on his rig as well, and he has a
2016 Fleetwood Bounder.
So like I said, this is going to work kind of across the board. So we're just going to get started here and show you guys how to do this. Please forgive the videoing, because if the camera gets in my way, it just might go flying across. You guys just go for a ride. Anyway, stay tuned. Right now, let's get this in here. That is a torque multiplier, and pretty much makes it rather easy to pull these and break these lug nuts loose here on a truck. Helps me put the proper torque back on too when we go to put them back on. So I think I paid about $37 or something like that on Amazon for this one. But I'll put a link on in the description so you'll be able to see it and purchase it if you need to. So, first thing we're going to do, take this bracket and mount it. This is the top bracket. I'm going to mount it to the top of the SumoSpring. so here we go. We got the right side on. Now you see some duct tape around here, and that's because we put some duct tape across the top, because this right here is my propane line that comes back. And I just wanted to give it something to rest on. So that's how she fits right in there. I mean, it went on rather half decent. It wasn't too hard, wasn't too difficult. Now I did go at 5 1/4 inches down from the top. I could have did 6 very easily on this side. However, on the other side, there was no way. Couldn't do it. No matter what I did, I could not get to 6. Did the leaf spring, everything, just it wouldn't drop down far enough. So, well, this here should work fine. We're at 5 1/4 on both sides. And yeah, wasn't that hard, right, Rob?
I think it went on pretty easy.
Wasn't that bad, right?
No.
So it's definitely a, what, maybe a 3?
3. I think the hardest thing is getting the tires off.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it wasn't that bad, wasn't that hard, except for when he crawled out, he
Ripped my pants a little.
he got a whoop.
Gotta keep it PG.
Yeah, family channel.
See what happens when you come and help Dave out? You sacrifice a pair of shorts.
There you go. Oh man. So anyways, guys, so RNRV Chronicles and
Adventure Bounder.
bye for now.